forces out. Chance Porras beginning nicely at the start. Moving up party outside of Summer Gear. Karaka Magic moving up in the middle. Next on line, Gorgeous Queen. Then followed by Daitorio Sun. In the middle portion comes Blind Date alongside Nice Legs, Elegancia, Tatara, while Lady Commander in that order. And going along for the first turn, Karaka Magic takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length. Right behind in second is Summer Gear. 3 lengths away in third, Gorgeous Queen. Moving up party outside fourth comes Daitorio Sun. Chance Porras, dress back in fifth. Blind Date 6, 7 is Tatara. Nice Legs, Elegancia, and Lady Commander. Summer Gear now takes the lead by about 3 lengths. Gorgeous Queen now moving up to take second. Karaka Magic, dress back in third. And here comes Daitorio Sun. Now coming closer in third. Chance Porras in fourth. Moving up Tatara. Gorgeous Queen takes the lead by a length and a half. Summer Gear in second. Moving up party outside Daitorio Sun. Tatara also coming into the picture as they come na the last 200. Gorgeous Queen by about 2 lengths. Moving up party outside Daitorio Sun. Tatara, Chance Porras. Daitorio Sun takes the lead. It's now Daitorio Sun. And finally, Daitorio Sun. Tatara.
Yun nga, at